Hello my design family, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be creating a login page using Adobe XD, one of the best design platforms out there. It's not because that's the only one I know, it really isn't. Don't judge. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's jump in. Alright, so we're gonna open up Adobe XD. There we go. To bring that to the center, you'll press Control 3. One of the best shortcuts I've learned, and I've never stopped using it. So Control 3 to resize. You also have Control 1, Control 2, which zooms in all the way, and then Control 3 to show you the full frame or the full layout. Next, we're gonna do a half and half. So a lot of people are putting their form fields on one side while image is on the other. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna start with the image because that's the easiest. But before we do that, let's create a square. V for the pointer. Is it called a pointer? Oh, the select tool. All right. Yeah, guys, if you want to know the shortcuts, just hover over the tool that you want to use, and then you'll be able to use that a little bit easier. We're gonna bring that to half. You'll see a blue highlight. There we go. We're gonna destroy the border because we don't want that. And we're gonna go for more of a business, I guess, networking vibe, All right, so here's my image here. I'm gonna drop it in there. So that's why we created the square first, and that's why we use the rectangle tool first. Very easy, allows us to just drag and drop and customize itself according to the rectangle tool. And as you can see, the heights are automatically cropped off, so whatever's not in the web page layout will not be added. So we have one side. I don't know. Yeah, let's keep it going. All right, so we're gonna create a logo. Here's the logo that I created. So we're gonna call it WeNet. Very simple, very easy, because we have a group of people who are networking and working together. It's gonna be called WeNet. Very nice, very classic, very classic. One of the best brands out there for networking with other young entrepreneurs. Business pitch. Okay. To make this a little bit easier, let's create another rectangle. All right. Do we want the borders? No. You guys are catching on very quickly. Let's rename that to, that's my left, your right, left side. Background. Okay, and we're gonna lock that with Control L. Just center that there. Next we're gonna create the form. So this is just a login page. So we want to make it very simple, not too complicated. Email, password, and a couple of other things to give it that vibe. Okay, so let's type this first. Email, address. Let me know in the comments if you think it makes sense to use full email address or just email. Oh, I was supposed to copy. Holding Alt, copy that text, and then we'll go with password. All right, looking nice. So first will be the email. Don't want it to be too far. We'll adjust the placement after, but let's get our line here. Hold Shift to drag it up. Oh, it's a little too far out. Okay, so let's drag that a bit closer. We're gonna change this to 16. It's more of an appropriate sizing. Give some space with the line. Yeah, give some space with the line. All right. And then we want to, I don't know. Let's see. Can we make this? No, yeah. Let's go with 90 on opacity for that. And we'll just copy that again. Hold shift to keep it aligned. And now we'll put the password above that. We'll change the size to 16 as well. And just look for that right there. There we go. We might, I don't know, we might make that bigger. I'm not liking the fact that it's that small. Let's go with 18, just to bump it up just a little bit. And then we'll go with, we'll bump up the size, and also let's add some things to make it look more like a login page. So we're missing some components here. Let's go with, the one thing that we do the most, we forget our passwords. So forgot password. Did you forget your password? All right. Looking nice. We're gonna go with a very bright blue. That looks more purple than blue. Make it a little bit harsher. So we want it in that corner. Oh, that looks good. No. Just a, yeah, that gets people's attention. All right, so let's go with that. We'll just put it just a little lower. Or should we put it at the same? Yeah, we'll put it there. Forgot password. Oh no. Let's bring that out just a little bit more. Just to give it some room. I feel like these are too close. And then let's bring the opacity down on these two. So we're gonna bring that to, let's bring that to 50. No, there we go. And let's bring the alliance back to 100%. Why did we do that? I don't know, but it's all trial and error. Let me know what you think of the form itself. And then let's do something real quick. Most login have this button here, the one that we use so often with our passwords. Make the fill like gray. We're gonna bring the border to, we're gonna bring maybe 1. Okay, and then let's go with shadow. Which one does what? So X is on the X-axis, like that, right? And then so okay, let's bring it to 2. So that should bring it over to the right. And then the Y is a little, I think that's fine. The blur is a little too big. So 3. It feels like too much. No, it's just too solid. 4. Okay, and then I think we should bring that to 1, right? Ooh, that looks good. That looks really good. I think with this one we will keep the border. We're just gonna make it a lot smaller. 0.5. All right. Can we? Let's see. Can we bring the color about the same as that one? Okay, so we'll do that, but let's make it slightly darker. All right, and that should be good. We're gonna use that same thing there. Just hold Alt and drag, and you'll be able to make a copy of that. Get rid of the question mark, and then remember me. All right. I think let's do that. Remember me. Okay, let's bring the color back. Let's bring it back home. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's just copy there, and then we'll bring this down here next to the square, make it smaller because we don't need it to be that big. Everybody knows what this button is. Very universal. Yeah, I think that's right. Control 3. Oh, look at that. Now that I'm looking at it, this does look a little bit too high. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so that's looking much better. Yeah, email address, password, remember me, forgot password. One more thing, we're gonna add a button. Okay, so this, the size of your button seems to make a big difference in your design. So we're gonna create one that's noticeable, but not too massive. You know what I'm saying? I mean, like, you ever see a button that's just like, just too much? Like, I understand, I have to press. Back off. Okay. So what we're gonna go with? Yeah, we're gonna go with a gray, darker gray here. Ooh, no. Click V. Let's go with the border here. So if I haven't mentioned this before, in order to adjust your border, you can do one of two things. You can grab these right here, which will make your borders round, or you can input a value there. So if you want to be detailed to the point, gotta do that. Make it a little bit bigger there. Ooh, it's looking like a real page. All right, and of course we're gonna go back with the text that we had before, and it's gonna say log in. Beautiful, just beautiful. All right, so we're gonna drag our button to the bottom here, and then we're gonna make this white, and bring up the opacity. All right, so let's make that centered. So in order to center the text with the button, go ahead and click the login text itself, and then hold shift, click the button, and then you'll press shift C. Okay, so that should center it. And then for the height, we'll just hold shift and kind of move it around until it gets there. Looks like it was already there. And that looks about right. Control 3. Ooh. All right. Just a, ooh, no. No, shift. Hold down. And that right there is just a masterpiece. It's just beautiful. Look at that. Now WeNet is ready to receive you. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to show the like button some love and subscribe. Until next time,